Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Nighthawk RS300 Wi-Fi 7 router step by step. So first of all, you just have to unplug your modem and wait for about 30 seconds. Now use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the yellow internet port on the back of the Nighthawk RS300. Afterwards, you just have to plug the router into the power and then you just have to turn it on. Afterwards, you need to take a look at the sticker on the router. The sticker can look something like this. So on it, you will find the default Wi-Fi network name and the password. So you just have to simply open your phone or your laptop's Wi-Fi settings, and then you just have to simply connect the RS300 network using that password. Now the RS300 support tri-band Wi-Fi 7, including the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and even 6 GHz bands for faster speeds and better performance on the newer devices. Now you just have to download the Nighthawk application on your phone. The app will automatically detect your router and guide you through the steps. So during the process, you can create a new Wi-Fi name, update the password, and finish activating the internet connection. So after setup is completed, you can check the firmware update inside the Nighthawk application or the router settings. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.